Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another look from Julie and the Phantoms. You guys really liked the Julie and the Carrie look, so I thought I would jump in along the lines of Carrie with Kayla, just in case anyone was wanting to do like a group look for Halloween. I mean, like, you could do Zoom Halloween parties, right? Yeah, but we'll go with that. So if you want to see how I got this look, inspired by Tori, then just keep watching. I'm going to moisturise the face first. This is the simple one that I always use in my videos. Okay, so there's a running theme with all these girls in this show, and that is that they all have the most flawless, beautiful skin I've ever seen. Ever. So we're going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer again, because it just gives you a really nice base, and this time I really have hit pan, so... Also, I definitely forgot to mention I've already put in some brown contacts. These aren't as dark as I'd like them to be because Tori has quite dark eyes, but I only have these contacts, so they're the same ones I used for Savannah. I'm going to do foundation, and for this I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I believe I used this one in the Carrie video as well. All the girls collectively in this group, Dirty Candy, seem to have a very collective makeup look going on. Like, very similar except for the eyes and the lips. It's all the same apart from the colours. We are going to apply this foundation onto the skin. Okay, so the look we're doing is the one based off of the performance for All Eyes on Me. That's the outfit I've gone for. I mean, the outfit's not exact, but it's inspired. I wish I had the exact outfit though, that would be a bit cool. I'm just going to add a little bit more in the areas where I think need a little bit more coverage is the words I'm looking for. Fasten this back up. I'm going to conceal. I'm going to use the Born to Glow concealer. It doesn't look like it's dramatically lighter under the eyes, which is... oh, my eyes itchy. Why I've gone for one that I don't think is any lighter. Hopefully not. This is the Born to Glow one in the shade Light Ivory. I'm going to use the... whoa! Oops. I'm going to use this little brush just to blend all that out. We're just going to powder the concealer just a little bit. This is the Mercier concealer, but any loose powder or any powder at all is completely fine. I really like the Rimmel Stay Matte one, but it's all the way to the other side of the room and I'm not going to forget it right now. So we're going to use this one. So like I said in the Carrie video, they don't seem to have a lot of bronzer going on, so I'm just gonna bring some life back into my face using the Revolution contour palette. So I'm just gonna lightly dust this like here. Done. Blush, we're going to use this BH Cosmetics blush in Honolulu Hideaway. Eee! Dirty Candy girls tend to have quite a bit of blush. I'm going to try focus on the pink part with a little bit of the shimmer. And they sort of have it right on the apples of their cheeks, so... don't be afraid to go a little bit crazy with this. They do seem to have in the pictures I've looked at quite a lot of blush. So to get the most exact look from me, I'm going to use the ABH Norvina palette. This is the volume 1 one. But there's two shades in here that are fairly similar. This is the Revolution Pro Regeneration Mischief Mattes, and you could always use the shade Shrine and Exclusive. But I feel like the colours in the Norvina palette are just a little better suited, but this is more if you need a budget option. And it has the white as well, so we're good. We're going to start with the shade A3, which is this one here. I forgot I did that. Oh no. I'm going to use a little bit of the shade B1. And then we're going to take the shade B4. So compared to the Cami video, I'm going to do a bit of a different technique because I feel like the white didn't show up enough. So we're going to take the makeup remover, which is why I had it on hand originally earlier, and sort of cut the crease with this. That way the white will go on a lot brighter and more pigmented. I'm going to take a flat packing brush and use the shade C1, which is the white shade, and pack that all over the lid. See how much brighter that is? And then we're going to continue the white on the inner corner. I'm going to take the lighter purple shade and put it under the eye. The ones that I did for Carrie, these are the Kiss So Wispies, whoop, in the number 4. And I'll put those on and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done the other eye, put the lashes on, and I did my brows. I just used the Precisely My Brow Pencil and did like this sort of shape. So now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter. This is the Nikki Tutorials collab Glazed Donut. And we're gonna take quite a bit because she is glowing in this picture that I have seen of her. Oh, that's quite a bit, but it's fine. I'm just gonna blend it up. I'm literally going to dust everything off the brush and just do that. A slightly thicker, fluffier flat brush and the glazed donut, and we are going to highlight the brow bone with this. Lipstick. I have this purple matte liquid lipstick. This is by MUA. This is the shade Unity. A2. Okay, so on camera it looks very blue toned, but in real life it is more on the pinkish purple side. And I think that's the colour, like this is near enough the colour that she has. So we're going to put the wig on. I'll be right back. Okay, so my wig isn't exactly like hers and the outfit isn't great, but it's the only thing lilac I had, and I put the same shirt on from Carrie because it's the same performance. But yeah, I wish the wig was a little bit more on the lilac side than the bluish lilac, but apart from that, I'm really happy with how this came out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below your favourite, so we've done song, we've done your favourite episode. Which was your favourite episode? Comment that down below. Of Within the Pantons. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys. Bye. Also, guys, I cut this wig. Look at how much hair I cut off.